I'm making a short video because we're going to Chodoro. Yeah, I bring Daddy there. Not Daddy just sitting like that. Not I don't want him to be bedridden, okay? So I asked Daddy to go out. Not always, just sometimes. Yeah, that's Shane Lawrence Young. He's watching. That he's doing here at Puerto Galera, even at Mabalacat, the same way, okay? Yeah, but he's enjoy watching. Yeah. So we have a service to go out. We are going to Chodoro. We take a look at the hot spring there. So that's our good landlord house. Yeah, that's it. And then this one, we have service to go there. This is it. And then I'm preparing not to bring things. We stayed there the whole night. I'm cooking there. And that's it. That is only our cute apartment. So Daddy wants to live here. Someday we wish to have own property here. But expensive. No money, no enough.
There's a ferry out this way, isn't there?
We just only buy and buy till succeed to reach to having own property here. That is it. And this is it. Daddy, look. Yeah. And Daddy and me just take little bit update. Oh, what's that? I hear your boat broke.
Bye.
See you guys. See you to the next video. I'm preparing to go to Chodoro. Yeah, we have very good and kindly landlord here. See you guys. Daddy food, chicken. That's it. Say hi, Daddy, and good morning.
There's the ferry port out there.
Cheers. It's too early. Good morning.